Go ahead and start it. Hey, Clementine. What's that?
It's a top. Come get the top, Clementine.
Can you come get it? Hazel. Grace, she's not going to crawl through your legs. Grace, move out of her way. She's not going to crawl through your legs. Oh, start it up again, Lily Pie.
I can't understand.
Grace, don't make her crawl through your legs. She is crawling. Did you almost get it? All right, let her play with it for a second. Can you turn it off?
Okay.
There you go. There you go. What is that?
What's that smell? What's that smell, Mom?
You got it. Good job.
Let her suck on it. You can play with it. She's going to suck on it.
Hey, you. Clementine. Clementine. Clementine, Sue Ellen Klein.
She'll have to go across you to get it this time. Oh. Here, baby.
You gonna crawl on linoleum even?
Whoa.
Oh, not as easy, is it? But you're determined.
Oh, you can't get it this time.
Uh-oh. Where are they going now?
Make sure she doesn't get it.
Are you working hard, pretty girl?